Hello students, today we will be doing the exercises of chapter 4, Partho the Park Keeper. You have to do question answer in your note copy and rest of the exercises in book itself. A. Answer these questions. Why was the park closed once a year? The answer is the park was closed once a year for cleaning. I repeat, the park was closed once a year for cleaning. Second, cross the things that Partho and his team did not do. Options are picked up the litter, pulled out the weeds in the flower beds, plucked all the flowers, cut down the trees, cleaned the swing. Plucked all the flowers and cut down the trees. These two works they did not do. So you have to cross them. Next, 3. Did Partho and his team put up a notice saying wet paint? How do you know? No, Partho and his team did not put up a notice saying wet paint. No, Partho and his team did not put up a notice saying wet paint. They forgot to put up the notice and sat down on the bench and their backs were covered in paint. Okay, now we will do next exercise. Exercise B. Read these and answer the questions. First, people should throw rubbish only in the bins. Do you agree with Partho? Why? Yes, I agree with Partho that people should throw rubbish only in the bins to keep the park clean. Next question. Was Partho a good park keeper? The answer is yes, Partho was a good park keeper. I repeat, yes, Partho was a good park keeper. Next question. C. Do you pick up litter when you play in a park? The answer is yes, I pick up litter when I play in the park. I repeat, yes, I pick up litter when I play in the park. Next question, question number 2. The children will be so happy. Why would the children be happy? The answer is the children would be happy when they see the clean and beautiful park and repaired swings, slides, and merry-go-round. I repeat, the children would be happy when they see the clean and beautiful park and repaired swings, slides, and merry-go-round. Next question. Did Partho like children? Yes, Partho liked children. I repeat, yes, Partho liked children. Next question. C. What games do you play when you go to the park? The answer is I play hide and seek, hopscotch, 7 stones, etc. when I go to the park. I repeat, I play hide and seek, hopscotch, 7 stones, etc. when I go to the park. Exercise C. In this exercise, you have to number these sentences in the correct order to sum up the story. बच्चों, आप लोगों को सेंटेंसेस को करेक्ट ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है जिस तरह स्टोरी में घटित हुआ है. So the first statement will be, Partho was a park keeper. The second statement will be, he worked with a team of 5 people. Second statement. The third statement will be, the park was closed once a year for cleaning. This will be third statement. The fourth statement will be, this year the park was closed for 2 days of cleaning. Fifth statement will be, during this time, Partho and his team put the litter in bins. Sixth statement will be, they also trimmed the grass and painted the benches. Seventh statement will be, but they forgot to put up wet paint notices on the benches. The last statement will be, so when they sat on the benches, their clothes had paint on them. This will be the last statement. In the next exercise, we will see about the articles. First, I would like to explain about articles. What are articles? A, an, and the are called articles. We use article A before a consonant sound, and article an we use before a vowel sound. And we use article the before the names of things we know already. For example, Partho is a park keeper. In this sentence, article A is used before the word park keeper because the word park keeper starts with the consonant sound pa. Second example, Rakhi is an artist. In this sentence, the article an is used before the word artist because the word starts with the vowel sound a. Third example, Partho works at a park. He keeps the park clean. In this sentence, article A is used before the word park as the word begins with the consonant sound pa. The word park is used for the second time. So we have to use article the before the word park. So children, we use a before a consonant sound and an before a vowel sound. Vowel sounds are the sounds that the letters A, E, I, O, U make. We use the before the names of things we know already.
So children, we use article a and an before the names of things we talk about for the first time. And article the is used before the names of things we know already. So now we will see the exercise. A. Circle the correct word to complete each sentence. First, Leela has a or an orange. She shares a or the orange with her brother. The right answer will be Leela has an orange. She shares the orange with her brother. Second, I am reading a or an comic book. A or the comic book is called Tenali Rama. The right answer will be I am reading a comic book. The comic book is called Tenali Rama. Third, mother bakes an or a cake for my birthday. The or an cake has my name on it. The right answer will be mother bakes a cake for my birthday. The cake has my name on it.
Fourth, Karan and Raja are in an or the zoo. They see an or a ostrich there. The right answer will be Karan and Raja are in the zoo. They see an ostrich there. Fifth, my friend has a or the pet cat. A or the cat loves playing with yarn. The right answer will be my friend has a pet cat. A pet cat. The cat loves playing with yarn. Now we will see the next exercise. Exercise B. Complete the sentences with a, an or the. First has been done for you. He is an artist and she is a doctor. Second, I drink a glass of milk and eat an egg for breakfast. Third, Diya has a raincoat. Her brother Raju uses an umbrella when it rains. Fourth, there is a small school in our village. We live near the school. Fifth, we watched a film called Cinderella. We enjoyed the film very much. The film. Now we will do the next exercise. Answer these questions with the opposites of the words in color. Look at the words in the box for help. Children, you have to write the opposites of the words which are written in colorful. You have to choose the words from the box. The words are far, new, clean, tall, small, dull. First has been done for you. Is the rabbit a large animal? No, it is a small animal. So the opposite of large is small. Second, is a coconut tree a short tree? No, it is a tall tree. So the opposite of short is tall. Third, is your school near the market? No, my school is very far from the market. The opposite of near is far. Fourth, does this room look bright? No, it is quite dull. There is just one light in it. So the opposite of bright is dull. Fifth, is Sasha reading an old book? No, she is reading a new one. The opposite of old is new. She bought it today. Sixth, is John using a dirty spoon? No, he is using a clean one. The opposite of dirty is clean. In the next exercise, you have to join the correct paths to write the sentences. First, Partho is a park keeper. You have to match it. Second, his job is to keep the park clean. Third, he loves his job. Fourth, he wants children to enjoy the park. He and his team work very hard. Now you have to write these sentences in the following lines. Thank you.